India has done it. It has become now the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the moon after the U.S. and China and the former Soviet Union. Just moments ago, we're talking just a couple of minutes, the Chandrayaan 3 spacecraft landed on the lunar South Pole. Look at the celebration here. India's Space Research Organization is already sharing stunning photos from the mission. And look at these pictures of the approach. It's a rare close-up of the moon's kind of dusty gray terrain.
This mission comes as space programs around the world are racing to get to the moon. This weekend, you'll remember Russia failed to land a spacecraft on the moon. NASA has announced multiple crewed lunar missions, including plans to have the first woman and person of color on the moon's surface. But India landed on the south pole of the moon, and experts believe there could be ice, mineral deposits, valuable elements there. Our Vedika Sood joins us live in New Delhi with more. I can only imagine how excited people are, Vedika.
Absolutely. The moment that soft landing happened, Poppy, you should have seen these people behind me. Now they're leaving this temporary pavilion that was set up. But they were clapping, they were cheering, there were chants, they were cheering the Prime Minister on after that while he was addressing the nation. The Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is at the BRICS summit in South Africa currently, but he tuned in virtually to watch that moment. And what a moment it was. You could see the emotional scenes inside the Mission Control Center. And if you just go 4 years back approximately, those very hearts were broken, not only inside the Mission Control Room, but across India. Millions of hearts broke when the Chandrayaan 2 failed to make that soft landing on the moon. But well, that's the past. Now look at what's happened today. India's not only, like you pointed out, Victor, the fourth country in the world to make this soft landing on the moon. It's also the first country in the world to make this soft landing in the South Pole region. A big accomplishment for India. Just the first in many in terms of its space ambitions. It wants to send a mission to space very soon, a manned mission. It also wants a place in the International Space Center there. So a lot happening at the International Space Station, rather. Right now, we still have the Indian Prime Minister speaking live. This is, like people have told us and scientists have said, a moment of intense national pride. Back to you.
Exciting moment. They're joining a very small fraternity. Vedika Sood with the reporting there. Thank you so much. Let's bring in now Mike Massimino. He's a former NASA astronaut and professor of mechanical engineering at Columbia University. He also has a new book coming out in December called Moonshot, a NASA astronaut's guide to achieving the impossible. Mike, good to have you.